Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Illustrator on your PC or Mac using Adobe's official website. So to get started, I want you to open your web browser and search for Adobe Illustrator. And from the search result, open the official Adobe website and click the free trial option. Next, you'll see different plan options, including individuals, students, and teachers, and then business. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, then click continue. After that, enter your email address and complete the required account and payment information, but I want you to keep in mind that your subscription may automatically begin after the free trial ends unless you cancel before the renewal date. And once you've finished signing up, create a password for your Adobe account, then download and install the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app and sign in using the same Adobe account. And from there, open the app section, find Adobe Illustrator, and then click install. So wait for the installation to finish, then open Illustrator and start creating your designs. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more helpful tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you on the next video.